Okay, so we're going to draw some lovely animals now. I've got a pen, but you could use any pen or a pencil, or you could use a biro, which is that sort of pen. You could use some colouring pencils if you want to. You can use pencils, you could even use paint if you want to. I'm just going to use a pen, a marker pen. I've got some paper. If you've got thin paper, make sure you put something underneath so the pen doesn't go through onto the table. So we're going to start by drawing a bear. So we're going to give the bear a rectangular mouth. So a rectangle is 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's a bit longer than a square. So we've got a rectangle, and we're going to give him a little triangular nose. So a triangle nose in the middle there of the rectangle, just like that. So we've got his little snout now, so that's where his nose is, and we'll give him a little happy mouth. And now we have to give him 2 eyes. So 1 on the left-hand side and 1 on the right-hand side. And of course he needs some eyebrows. So above his eyes, you can just draw 2 little lines like that. Now we need the shape of the bear. So we're going to do a shape like a thumb shape, like that. So a bit bigger than his face. We're going to start down here to the left of his face. We're going to go up, and we're going to do a curve, and then we're going to go down on the other side. So like that, like a thumb shape. And now, of course, he needs some big ears. So here we'll give him a nice big ear. And on the right-hand side, we'll give him another ear. And then we'll do the inside of the ear like that. So just copy the shape and make it a bit smaller. And now we can give him lots of hair. So we'll give him some fur here on his body. So just lots of little lines. There you have your bear. If you want to colour him in, you can. I'm going to give him some rosy cheeks because he's a happy bear. So with some pink, I'm going to give him a nice rosy cheek here and a nice rosy cheek on the other side. So now we're going to draw a cat. So a cat has a different shaped head. A cat is more long. It's sort of got a longer shaped head. So we're going to start with the shape of the head, which is like a circle like that, but you stop like that. And then we're going to do exactly the same on the opposite side. So it's not really a circle, but it starts off like that. So it's like an eye shape. Can you see that? And now he needs a nose. So we're going to give him a triangle nose, like the bear. And we're going to give him 2 eyes, 1 here and 1 here. I'm going to put his eyebrows above his head because he's really surprised. And we're going to give him a little smiley face, like that. And then cats obviously have ears as well, but they're sort of triangles. So we'll give him a triangle ear there and a triangle ear there. And then they have whiskers on their face, which are little hairs coming out of their face. So we'll give him 3 on this side, 1, 2, 3, and 3 on this side, 1, 2, 3. And now he needs a little body. So we'll give him a bit of a neck, and then it will go out like that, and the same on the other side. And there's your cat. If you want to, you can give him some stripes. So I'm going to use a brown colouring pencil, and I'm going to give him some triangle stripes on his head here. So 1, 2, 3, and I'll give him some stripes on his body as well. So we'll do a zigzag pattern like that, and then colour in the triangles. And the same on the other side. 1, 2, 3, colour in the triangles. And there's your cat. So if you want to, you can give your cat a lovely tail. So I'm going to give my cat a tail like this. It's like an S shape. And that's his tail. So now the last animal we're going to do together is a mouse. So a mouse has an even different face shape. The bear is nice and round. The cat is long and pointy like an eye. And the mouse is like a triangle. So we're going to do this line here, this line here. And can you see it's like a triangle shape, but we're not going to do the last line because he needs an ear here. So we're going to do a big ear, like a circle. and a circle on the inside to be the inside of the mouse's ear. And obviously a little mouse needs a nose. So we're going to give him a little circle nose there. We'll give him an eye. And he needs a happy smiley face. So we'll give him a smile. And a little eyebrow above his eye. And now he needs a little body. So we're going to go from this dot, from this line here, from the dot, we'll go down. And we'll go from his ear on the other side. And we'll go down like that. And the little mouse needs a tail as well. So you can give him an S tail, like the cat. And there's your little mouse. I'm going to give the mouse a rosy cheek now, like the bear. So I'll take my pink colour again. I'll give him a little rosy cheek. And there you go. Let me know how you all get on. Send me your pictures. Are there any other animals that you would like to draw? Let me know. Thank you. Bye.